Today, we're unboxing a piece of racing history, the 2023 Ferrari 499P number 51, the winner of the 24 Hours of Le Mans, brought to life by Bburago. Ferrari's return to Le Mans was a stunning success, taking the top position after a 50-year break. The 499P's iconic design and performance are beautifully captured in this model, making it a true must-have for collectors and fans alike. The black color packaging adds an extra touch of elegance and sophistication to the unboxing experience. With its sleek, understated design, the packaging not only protects the model but also enhances its premium feel. The matte finish and bold branding create an eye-catching presentation that's as stylish as the Ferrari 499P itself, making it a standout piece from the moment you lay eyes on it. This Deluxe 1/18 scale edition not only looks fantastic but is also ready to display, coming in an acrylic case that highlights every angle while keeping it protected. The model's vibrant paintwork and authentic sponsor decals stand out, letting you appreciate the details Ferrari fans love. In addition to the acrylic case, the model also comes with a sturdy plastic base that's more than just functional, it's stylish enough to be displayed directly on your table or shelf. The base features a sleek chrome metal nameplate, elegantly engraved with the Ferrari 499P number 51's details, adding an extra layer of sophistication to the display. This thoughtful touch enhances the overall presentation, ensuring the model stands out beautifully, whether in a case or showcased on its own. Bburago takes extra care in protecting the model during transit by sealing the doors with a protective tape. This ensures that the fully opening doors remain securely in place, preventing any accidental openings or damage while in transit. It's just another thoughtful detail that showcases Bburago's commitment to delivering your Ferrari model perfect condition, ready to display. And here's another detail for collectors, the front wheels are posable, so you can adjust the wheels to your liking for that perfect display look. Whether you want to pose it in a dynamic racing stance or keep it straight, this feature adds an extra touch of realism that brings the model to life. One of the best parts? This model features fully opening doors, giving you a glimpse of the highly detailed interior. Bburago has done an exceptional job replicating the cockpit, from the steering wheel to the control panels, allowing you to enjoy the craftsmanship that goes into these models. This model is available in several editions, including the 1/18 Racing Edition, the 1/24 Racing Edition, and the 1/43 Signature Edition, so there's an option for every collector's preference. Each captures the Ferrari spirit, celebrating their historic victory and stunning design. You can buy this piece of history from our website www.scalearts.in. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing. If you're as excited about this piece of Ferrari's legacy as we are, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more collectible unboxings.